Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to use our Away with Words workbook. So can you all get it out, get it ready, and open it up on Lahanach Seachtail Sanay, so 79. It's Unit 16, and it's themed dinosaurs, which lots of you will find really interesting. Have a look at the fantastic picture illustration at the top of the page. Lots of dinosaurs hidden in that picture. Can you name them? I know lots of boys and girls in second class know each of those dinosaur names. I'm trying to learn them, but you know them all. Could you now pause the video and can you read this piece out loud at home? Doesn't matter if nobody's there to listen to you. I would like them to be able to hear you reading it aloud from a different room if that's where you are. And if there is somebody beside you, can you read it in your best storyteller voice? Off you go. When you are finished, unpause the video. Well done, everybody. Now can you turn on to page 79, where you will see the page of questions. Let's remind ourselves about what we should do when we are answering questions on a piece that we have just read. First of all, we read the questions very clearly, one after the other, and we don't race to write down the answer. We have a good think about what the question is asking us. We go back to the piece to see where we can find the answer to make sure we're right. We look at all the words that we might need help with spelling on, and we say the answer in our head before we write down the answer. When we're sure that we are happy with our answer, we can take out our lockdown copies, put a nice title on the top, Dinosaurs, and today's date in the top right-hand corner, and we are going to number each answer. Let's do the first one together. Number 1. When did dinosaurs live on Earth? Now it's your turn to go back to the piece and read it again. Dinosaurs lived on Earth many millions of years ago, long before there were people on Earth. Does that sound like a good answer to you? Does it include much detail? Does it let the reader know what the question might have been? Am I just going to write many millions of years ago? Or should I write a full, detailed answer? Dinosaurs lived on Earth many millions of years ago. And if you wanted to write more detail, you could copy from the text also, long before there were people on Earth. Full stop. So pause the video and write your answer. How many of you remembered to read back over what you have just written? Does it make sense? Good. We are only asking you to do question 1, 2, and 3 for A, and just number 7 and 8 for B. So you do not need to do all of this page. Let's have a look at number 2. What does the word dinosaur mean? We would again like a full answer. The word dinosaur means, and you find the answer in the text. Pause the video so you can write your answer. Now try number 3, all by yourself. Read the question, pause the video, write your answer, and read over your answer. Good. Now let's have a look at number 7. Find a word in the story that means. In your copies, we would like you to write, like you did last week, just the word large, and then beside it, just like this, write the word in the story that you found that has the same meaning as large. Then do it again for vanished, plenty, and found. Number 8 then is to write these words in alphabetical order. Can you remember what that means? You have to write it in the order of the alphabet. Yes. So let's look at the first letters in each word. S, D, F, W, L. Which letter comes first in the alphabet? If you know, you can write it in your copy. Instead of writing it across like this, could you write it one underneath the other in your copy? And it has given us a clue for the second one. Well done. When you have finished this work, I would like you to talk to somebody at home about how different do you think life was on Earth when the dinosaurs lived? And can you name any other creatures that have become extinct? If you know, you could write them in your copies and let us know. I'm sure you know lots about dinosaurs. Well done.